Welcome to CxLens. Today we are going to be going over the basics of how to use the application. To get started, we are going to sign in. So you're going to enter your email after you've been invited, and that will send you a code. Once that code arrives in your email, you will copy and paste it here, and that will log you in. So the way that CxLens works is it's able to take all the information and data from across projects and aggregate it to a organization level. So depending on what your access is, you may have a program level dashboards and information. If you are a program manager or the person that's kind of the admin for your company using this, you would use these two tabs to begin to set up information. So here I have the ability to manage projects. I can, right now it's just showing a Google Sheets sync, but if you have CxAlloy as your data source, you'd be able to see that, sync that there. You can create new projects, invite new members or add existing members. And here in your settings, this is where you would configure your CxAlloy API information. You'd enter in your key, you'd hit save, and then depending on your custom dashboards, we would enter in the dashboard ID for you. Your team is going to be managed here. You can manage it at the program level. This would let you see all of your users across your entire organization, so all users across every project. And you can, at a granular level, manage the permissions for every team member that's invited to a project. So invitations, this is an outstanding invitation. You are able to manage this here, so you can always resend it depending on if somebody has accepted their invite or not, and you can see who has accepted it. So in your projects, you'll see these dashboards. Each of these has a page. These are custom built. So depending on what your use case is, what kind of information or insights you need to get out, we are able to build these as needed. We have some basic schedule information here, some schedule health checks as well. So planning, this is where planning of individual checklists takes place. You are able to pull in all of your checklists from your project, and you are able to give it a specific plan date. Schedule upload, you can upload project schedules. We have the ability to process XER or Microsoft Project XML files. Once you upload those, they will be available here, and then you can go and view this information if you would like. It's helpful as a schedule viewer, and it should be very familiar type of structure. You can filter, WBSs and things like that in order to drill down into your data. So obviously this is a mock schedule, very basic, but you can imagine that a more complex schedule would have many more WBSs and activities here. In settings, this is for project admins to control additional settings. If you needed to sync your data, obviously this is showing Google Sheets imports again, but your CxAlloy data, once that's connected, you'd be able to hit this button and it would sync up. So that's it for this basic overview.